welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very, very well. So today is a Stitch Fix day. I have actually opened it due to the fact that the delivery guy thought it'd be a good idea to leave this on my doorstep when it was lashing down with rain. So I was a bit worried about the contents being wet, so I unwrapped the box just to make sure. So this is no surprise. I already looked at the stuff. I can tell you now that I'm not that keen. However, I'll leave that to you guys. Let me know in the comments what you actually think. I'd like to say a big thank you to my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. Mwah, thank you so much. If you like these kind of videos, then why not subscribe? Please leave your comments, like my videos so that I know to continue doing these type of videos. So if you don't know anything about Stitch Fix, it's basically a clothing subscription that you can receive 2 times a month if you wanted to. I think I get mine 2 times a month, but you can only, you can choose to only have it once. That was a mouthful. If you decide that you would like to try Stitch Fix for yourself, then I will leave a discount code down below. And you will get £15 off your first box, and I will also get £15 credited to my account. So it's a win-win situation. So without further ado, let's get diving into this box and see what you guys think to the selection of clothing that my stylist Anna has chosen. So I'm just going to have a look. I normally leave this to last, but lately I've been wanting to check who my stylist actually is. So I can tell you from this that it is, we have a new stylist called Katie. Sorry to start off with bad news, but your lovely stylist Anne is currently away on holiday. Thank God for that, I thought she'd left. So this box has been styled by another stylist who is called Katie. Okay, so I do have a piece of jewellery this time. I think I asked for accessories, but hey ho. And it's really packaged nicely. It's wrapped up, and you get a nice box, which I think is quite cute. And this is what's inside. So as you can see, it is a gold-plated chain with some tortoiseshell like beads, I guess. I'm not quite sure what you would call those. I'm not quite sure this is my style. It's a little bit big. Ooh, a little bit out there, but you know, I hear this sort of thing is coming back in style, and I do like fashion jewellery. So that is the first item. Okay, and then you do get a delivery bag. This delivery bag is for anything you might not want. Just pop it in here. It's free of charge, as is delivery. And the first item we have are a pair of dark wash blue jeans. You do have a bit of stretch. These do look actually quite big. I did request bootcut jeans. I don't like flares, and to me this is not bootcut. This is still quite a flared trouser. And I can also tell that these look massively too long in the leg. So I think actually these are probably going to be a little bit too big. I will say the quality is amazing on them though. They feel really nice. I do like proper feeling jeans. I'm not into the jeggings and the pretend jeans. I prefer proper jeans. Right, next item we have is a knitted dress. This is not my cup of tea either. I like the colours in it. It's very pretty. It's like a blue. And it has nothing on the edge. It's very good quality. It's very thick. It's very, very heavy. I did request a jumper dress as well, but this is not the type of dress that I was kind of visualising in my head. So, not too sure on that one. And we have a blazer. So this is like a, I don't know, like an aubergine colour, I guess. So again, it's quite a grown up, it's quite formal. The top pockets are not real. It's got one button to do up, and it is lined. I feel like this is the same that I had last time, but in this colour. We'll see what it looks like on. I did request a black blazer. And finally, we have scoop neck sort of t-shirt type top, which I do have a dress in this exact same material, same sort of neckline, same pattern, everything, but this is obviously like the top version. Okay. So as usual, I will go ahead, try all this lot on, and I will be back with you with the, it looks like on, I guess, and wait for your opinion. So I will speak to you soon. So as you can see from the tryout, the t-shirt, as you can see, I didn't like it very much. I felt it was too big. It's very, very short in the body. I quite like my t-shirts quite a bit longer. And the fact that I've got a dress in this very same design, colour, everything, don't feel like this is worth kind of keeping. Although it's nice, it's comfortable, it's just not worth keeping it. Just to the fact that I feel it's too short, and like I say, I already have a dress very similar, or the same actually. The blazer I don't like, it's too formal, not that keen on the colour. I'm sort of looking for a black one. I felt again this was a little bit too big. I don't feel like it complemented me very well. And then let's talk about the jeans. Wow, the jeans are just too big. They were too big all over. My idea of a bootcut jean is not this. This to me is like a flare. A bootcut jean to me is like, maybe like that. Not straight leg, not flare, but something in between. So, no. But I do like jean quality. I do like the colour-ish. I mean, it's not my first choice. I find these dark blue jeans are quite aging. Okay, and then onto the dress. I didn't like the dress on either. This is not what sort of thing I was looking for when I asked for a jumper dress. I don't like the design here. I mean, all we need now is some, like, I don't know, Christmas fairy lights on it. I just found it a little bit loud. I don't know. I just didn't like it. But again, the quality on this is amazing. It's really, really nice. It's thick. It would keep you warm in the winter with a nice thick pair of tights and maybe some boots on. And last of all was the necklace. Again, this is not my cup of tea. It's too blingy for me. I like things more subtle, more quiet. It's pretty, I mean, it's okay. And the pricing of these items are as follows. So, the scoop neck top, which is this one. This is by Warehouse. It is called the Spot Scoop Top. It is black, it's size 18, and the cost is £26. Not keeping it. Then we had the blazer, which is this. This is by Editor's Cut. It's called the Annalise Single Breasted Tailored Blazer. The colour is burgundy. The size was 16, and for £75, you know, you must be insane paying these prices. No way. And then next was the jumper dress, which is this. This was by Breakburn. It's called the Fairylese dress. The colour is navy. The size is 18. The cost is £49.99. No, not keeping that. Annalise, but not last. Oh, we've got the jeans. These are again by Editor's Cut. They're called the Betty Boot Cut Slim Fit Jean. The colour is indigo. The size is 36, and these are £49. And the necklace is by Morvette. This is called a Magnolia Taut and Gold necklace. The colour is brown, and this is for £22. Now, I did have a £15 credit, which somebody was kind enough to sign up to Stitch Fix, so appreciation, thank you for that. So I'm going to keep the necklace. I might try it again with something else, or I can gift it to somebody. Okay, so the total for these picks were £221.99. The discount of 20% takes it down to £44.40. Then take off your £10 styling charge, sorry. Then your £15 credit, which leaves it at £152.59. So unfortunately, this box was not a hit for me at all. There wasn't anything that I even kind of liked. And you know, guys, for me, I have to love something in order to actually buy it. So that's a no-no. Just to let you know, in case you're wondering and haven't seen, Joe somebody or other, I can't remember her second name. Anyway, she won the November giveaway. I will get that posted out ASAP. I'm sorry of the delay, but I've been incredibly busy, so I'm hoping to get that posted out either Monday or Tuesday to Joe. So keep a lookout for that coming to you. There will be a December giveaway. I'm thinking something like The Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star. I can't think today, I'm so sorry. So I'll get that up and you can enter in that if you so wish to. So that's it for now. That is my Stitch Fix complete for this month. Not happy with the contents, but there you go. You win some, you lose some. Come back, Anna, I miss you all. So anyway, that's it for now. Don't forget, if you like these videos, please subscribe. Please leave your comments of what you thought of this box. And like the video if you like these sort of videos. So until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other. Mwah. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.